Welcome. In front of me is a DORO 8035, and today I'll show you how to copy and import contacts from SIM to the phone. So to get started, pull up the application tray, and from here choose contacts right here. And if you're opening up this app for the first time, you'll basically be presented with the option to import contacts right on the get-go. So you can just choose import like so, and then it gives you contacts. Basically you tap on it on the contact that you wish to import. You can see let's go back, and from here let's go back. Now assuming I'm gonna close this, that you disregarded this message from at the beginning where it showed up, I'm actually gonna go again through it and find the way to do this without actually this pop-up. So just tap here, I want to, and you have the option import export. Stop on this, then import export, import from SIM card. So that's what we want, the first option. Choose that, again tap on OK. It doesn't really give you much option here, it just automatically imports the contact. And as you can see now, there's even more mess of contacts. But yeah, that is basically how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.